welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a vegetarian burger. We'll start by using these simple ingredients: onions, bell peppers, some chickpeas. I have soy chunks for texture. I also will be using some green onions, parsley, minced garlic, some mushroom seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and better than bouillon vegetable base. So what you want to do with the chunks, for those that may not know how to prepare this is how it looks. And you want to add some hot scalding water to this and allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is soft and spongy, you want to squeeze it super dry. You want to squeeze all that liquid out and just set it aside. Next, you want to preheat a pot, add some oil. And now we will go in with onions, bell peppers, and the minced garlic. We'll allow them to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you want to add your soy chunks, the chickpeas, and the seasonings to add flavor and taste. You want to add like 1 tablespoon of the better than bouillon, as it adds great flavor and a little brightness to the dish. Once everything is fully combined, we'll allow it to go for about 10 minutes so everything can marry and become well incorporated. After about 10 minutes, you want to turn your heat off, set this aside, and allow it to cool down a bit before we move on to the next step. Now let's make a quick sauce for the burger using some mayonnaise, mustard, and serracha hot sauce. Now you can use the vegetarian mayonnaise if you like. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using the regular kind. You could also use ketchup here. Whatever sauces you want to add and mix together, just go ahead and do that. Make it your own. And once we're done, we'll set this aside and move on to the next step. Next, you want to add your chickpeas mixture to a food processor or blender. You want to also add the green onions and parsley here. And you want to blend or process this to your desired texture. However you like your patties, you do it to suit your own liking. Once it's done, this is how it should be looking. Well, this is how I like mine. I don't like it too mushy. I like it with a bit of texture to it. So now we will move on to the next step. Next, we'll go ahead and form our patties into our desired sizes. You want to do it to suit your own liking again. However big or small you want to form the patties, you go ahead and do just that. Then I like to put this in my freezer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Because the texture of the patties, they are soft. They're not like beef patties, like normal beef patties or whatever. So to get that nice firm texture, I like to place them inside of my freezer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now if you have all day, you can just put it in your fridge for about an hour or two and it will form up nicely. So that's what I like to do, place it in the freezer. And then I will show you guys what's next. So for this next step, I like to use my air fryer because I feel like this works best for these kinds of patties. It just prevents them from falling apart because they're soft in texture and they don't have anything binding them together. So you have to be very gentle with them. We'll cook these on 375 for about 10 minutes. Once they are done, this is how they should be looking. Now, some people may want to know if they should flip the patties. I don't know how your air fryer works, but mine works perfectly. This is the other side of the patties. They were cooked to perfection. I did not have to flip them. Now let's move on to the next step. So I did go ahead and toast my bun lightly. This just prevents it from becoming soggy really fast. Now we will add that sauce that we made earlier. You want to add it to both sides of the bun. And then we will add our lettuce, tomato, and some onions. That's what I like on my burger, but you can add whatever you like on yours. And we will just add the patty over top, and that's it. Super simple. Now I did two of them. One of them I did add avocados, and it was absolutely delicious. That avocado add a nice texture, creaminess to the burger, which was very delightful. You guys have to try it. If you've never tried avocados on your burger before, you gotta give it a try. It's really, really delicious. And here you have it, my version of a vegetarian burger. This was so delicious, it was better than I expected. And it's actually a subscriber request. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!